Today we'll study scope of statistics. That is the where the statistic is applicable, what are the benefits, and what are the statistics application in other fields that we will study today. Okay. In this statistic, the scope of statistic is it deals with the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation, and organizing the data. In this scope, it deals with the statistic is deals with the collection of the data, analysis of the data, interpretation of the data, presentation of the data, and organizing the data. Okay, and it is a broad field. It is applicable, or it having application in the various disciplines like the science, social science, businesses, engineering, and in the medical field it is, and other field also, other disciplines also, statistic is applicable. In this scope of statistic, the first thing is that data collection. It is applicable. First one is the data collection. The data collection is here, that is statistic is concerned with collection of data from various sources through the surveying, experiments, and observations, and databases. Okay, it means that the data we are collecting through the various sources, through the survey, experiments, observations, and databases. And the second scope of the data scope is data analysis. It means the analysis means we are using the tools and techniques to identify the data and drawing conclusion from the data. The analysis means it is a technique or tool. Through this technique and through this tool, that identifying the data patterns, how the data it is there, and drawing the conclusion from that data. It means this is an analysis of the data. And third scope is, that is the interpretation of the data interpretation. How the data we are interpreting, it means that we are knowing the result of the data and underlying phenomena of the data. This is the, through the this interpretation we are knowing the result of the data and underlying the phenomenon of the data. And next scope, that is the probability. The probability here we are analyzing the likelihood events of occurring. Okay, we are probabbling the what are the future happening. Okay, through the some data we are analyzing or inferring the probabilities. It means that analyzing the likelihoods of the occurring events occurring. And next one, inferential statistic. Here inferential statistic means the making the inference or through anumana about population based on samples. Okay, we are using some samples, through that we are making the inference about the populations. This is about the inferential statistics. The next one, descriptive statistics. Here descriptive statistic means it is a, through the statistics we are summarizing the data and describing the main features of the data sets. Okay, here descriptive means summarizing the whatever the data it is there, we are summarizing and describing the what are the main features of the data sets. Okay, this is about the descriptive statistics. Okay, the next one, last important scope, that is the statistical modeling. Okay, statistical modeling means it is a technique for relationship between the variable and predicting outcomes. Okay, here through the techniques for relation between the variables and predicting outcomes, that we will study in the statistical modeling. Okay, this is all, these are the main 7 scopes of the statistics. Okay, now lastly come to the conclusion. The conclusion, it is a vast, statistic is a vast, and it includes the range of the techniques and methods for analyzing and interpreting data. Okay, it means that it is a vast science. It includes the range of techniques and methods for analyzing and interpreting data. Okay, and next another thing is that it is an essential tool. It is a tool for decision making okay, decision making and solving the problem. And the next one, in the field of research. This is the research that statistics we are using in the field of research. And these are all the uh, important characteristics of the statistic. Okay, this is all about the scope of the statistics. Okay, a small revision about the statistics, scope of statistics. Statistic is a scope. It is analyzing, interpreting, collecting, presenting the data, and it is having the main scopes is that is the data collection, data analysis, data interpretation, probability, inferential statistics, descriptive statistics, and statistical modeling. Okay, where it is applicable, the statistic is mainly applicable in the science, social science, business, engineering, and medical field. Okay, in the conclusion, that is, it is a vast branch. It includes the range of techniques, methods of analyzing and interpreting the data, and it is an essential tool for decision making, problem solving in the field of research. Okay, this is all about the scope of statistics. Okay, thank you for watching. Okay, thank you.